How to redeem Etsy gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Etsy gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To redeem a gift card, sign in to your Etsy account or create a new one. You must have an Etsy account to redeem a gift card. Now, go to Etsy's gift card redemption page and then further select Redeem a Gift Card option you see there. Now, enter the code from your gift card. If you have a physical card, you can choose Scan Your Code option to enter your gift card code using your device camera. You will receive confirmation that your gift card balance has been added to your Etsy account. This balance is automatically applied to any future purchases from shops that accept Etsy gift cards. Make sure that you may be required to redeem an Etsy credit by a certain date, depending on the specific terms and conditions of the relevant special offer or promotion. If you don't redeem your Etsy credit before that date, your Etsy credit may expire. Also, Etsy gift card issued in GBP, AUD, or EUR expires in 48 months from the date the Etsy gift card is purchased. The expiration date for each Etsy gift card is included in the confirmation email. So, this is how you can redeem Etsy gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.